Happy Kids World.
A is for apple, color it red. B is for ball, bounce on your head. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for drum, feel the beat. Color the letters one by one. Learning ABCs is so much fun. Yellow, purple, pink, or blue. Choose your color, it's up to you. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for hat, you wear in fall. Color the letters one by one. Learning ABCs is so much fun. Orange, green, or rainbow too. Each little letter is waiting for you. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly that wiggles right. K is for kite flying up so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. Let's make our alphabet bright and bold, with every color we can hold. Crayons, markers, paint if you please. Let's make the alphabet a masterpiece. M is for moon, shining at night. N is for nest, what a cozy sight. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda, climbing a tree. Color the letters one by one. Learning ABCs is so much fun. Scribble, shade, or color inside. Make each letter your rainbow pride. Q is for queen with the royal crown. R is for rocket blasting down. S is for sun, warm and bright. T is for turtle walking light. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van driving down the lane. W for whale in the sea so blue. X for sun and ruffle, music for you. I is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. We colored letters A to Z. What a fun time, you and me. Let's sing and color every day. The ABCs in every way.
Happy Kids World.